What's going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Yeezy 700 Mono Safflower. Let's get into it. First, you got your normal Yeezy 700 box. It has 700 on the top of the box. On the side of the box, it says Yeezy 700, made by Adidas. Nothing on this side. And then we're going to get to the front of the box, and it reads Yeezy 700 V3, and the colorway is Mono Saff, Mono Saff, Mono Saff. Let's get into it. Open up this box, you got your same normal white cream tissue paper on the inside of the box. Nothing different. That's it for the inside of the box. I already took the shoes out, so let's get into the shoe. The Yeezy 700 Mono Safflower. Alright, let's get into it. This is like the third time this shoe has released. Came back out the first time in 2019. Another one came out in 2020. And now here we go in 2022. And now we have the Mono Safflower. Pretty much they all kind of look the same, just a little different aspects going on with each one of them. This one right here, as you can see, is a nice, I would say, orange tannish looking color going across right here at the rib cage, and this translucent rib cage. As you can see through this little part right here, which is translucent. You can see through it, so I guess whatever kind of socks you have on, you'll be able to see them, you know, coming through right here. On the front, we got this nice, I would say, like a off-white tannish looking color on the top of the toe box. And then on the side of the shoe, you still got that cage going across like I just showed you. And it's yellow with this yellowish, orangish color coming around the side all the way around to the back of the shoe. We're going to get to the heel of the shoe. Got a little Adidas symbol right here on the back of the shoe. Then around the sock liner, you got this black material right here that's pretty like sock-like material. So when you put your ankle in there, it's gonna be, once you put your foot in, it's gonna be very secure inside the shoe. Inside here says Adidas Yeezy. Then they got Ortholite on the inside of the shoe right there. Comes with these black shoestrings. The ones that, you know, is clasped together. They don't come loose. But it also came with some extra shoestrings. So if you don't like these kind of like here with this interlock on it, you could take these out, or you have to cut them out. And once you cut them out, you can't put them back in. So if you don't want them in, make sure you know for sure before you cut these, because once they're gone, they're gone. You got to stick to the regular shoestrings that come with it. They give you just some regular black shoestrings that you can change it out with if you want to tie your shoes. I never really take mine out. I usually just keep the ones that they come with, because I actually like this little lock tightening shoestring. I don't have to worry about tying my shoes. So easy. I mean, you're already slipping the shoe on, so I don't need to worry about tying any shoestrings also. So I usually just stick with these. But a lot of people like to go with this because they say it makes the shoe look better. You know, to each his own preference. But I like to keep these in here. So that's what it came with. Then we're gonna go up the shoe, up the shoestrings. It got this little black material on this inside. It's like a kind of thick material. I don't know like what kind of material it is, but it's thick. It is like it's very comfortable. Like I said, once you put on the shoe, it like hugs to your foot, so you don't have to worry about them moving. Then we're gonna get to the bottom of the shoe. They got your nice gum bottom with orange little specks going on the bottom of it, and then you got your tan on the bottom also. These do not have boosts in them, so that's the main difference out of these. And you like your 350s and 700s, they all have boosts. This 700 V3 does not have boost, just have the Ortholite, in which it doesn't change because they still a very comfortable shoe. But I mean, the boost just give you that little extra cushion in there. So this you just gotta ride with, you know, the way it feels. But it's very comfortable. So you don't have anything to worry about. I mean, whether the boost was in here or not. I mean, if it was, it would have been good. But since it's not, it's, you know, nothing bad about it. It's still good. This was the right shoe. Let's get to the left shoe. Looks the same as that way. You got your tan, orange, translucent rib cage going across this side of the shoe right here. Translucent, as I said, you can see in between there once you put your socks on. So whatever color sock you have on, unless they're black, you really won't tell. But if you have another color, you can see between there and be able to see what color that sock is. We got the nice, I would say creamish toe box up here. Then you got this nice cream tencel rubber coming around the whole shoe. You got the bottom of the shoe, that's the gum bottom with the orange dots going on down there. Also, you got the back of the shoe, you got Adidas on the back of the heel. Then on the inside of the shoe, you still got this nice black material, that's salt-like material that's on the top going around the ankle of the shoe. Inside of the shoe reads Yeezy Adidas Ortholite in there. And then, like I said, the shoestrings, you got the interlock shoestrings that don't tie, so you can just pull it if you want to make them tighter, or you can just, you know, pull it out if you want to loosen them up. But it also came with extra shoelaces, so if you don't like these type of laces, you can put those in there. But yeah, this right here, like I said, is a very nice shoe. This is actually my first 700 V3. I have never had any of these. I always wanted a pair, but I wanted those blue ones, was never able to get them. So when these came out, I was like, man, I'm gonna get those just to test them out, to see how they feel, see if they're as comfortable as the regular 700s and the 350s. And they actually are, even though they don't have any boost in them, they're still a very comfortable shoe. So like I said, I like these. I will be keeping these. Very nice shoe. They retail for $210, and like I said, they came out March 18th. And yeah, that's pretty much it on these. Like I said, they actually glow in the dark. Like this whole cage right here, it glows like an orange looking color. I'm gonna try to show y'all that in the video if I can get me a black light or something to show the light up, because if I just turn the light off, it doesn't show up. So I think I need to shine a black light on it to get that color to pop a little bit more. But yeah, that's the main difference of these. They have the glow. They glow in the dark with like an orange glow going across the cage of the shoe. So that's very nice and very different, you know. So that was very nice. The ones that came out last year, I think the difference is they didn't have a gum bottom. The last ones didn't have a gum bottom, and these do. So that, you know, brought the shoe out a little bit more. But yeah, overall, I just like the shoe. I like this this 700. This model is a very nice model. Everybody don't like them, but I like them. It's just, like I said, it's different. If it's different, I'm with it. So I like them. You know, they, like I said, very nice shoe, very comfortable. I wore them, very comfortable. No difference from wearing the regular 700s with the boost. Still very comfortable shoe. But yeah, that's all I pretty much got for y'all about on these. Y'all let me know down in the comments below. Did you go for these or did you pass? A lot of people just really didn't like them. But, you know, I like them. So, I mean, just let me know down in the comments. Did you go for them? Did you pass on them? Or you just wait for another colorway to come out? Or have you already had a pair and you just didn't want these? Or did you have the ones that was out before this? Because if you did have those, you really didn't need these because they look the same as that way, except for the bottom of it. So, you know, just let me know what y'all think about these. The Yeezy 700 V3 Mono Safflower. All right. Well, yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. Like I said, continue to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll know when I post my videos. Continue to follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. And yeah, that's all I got for y'all today, so you know how it goes. Until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.